Hi everyone, on today's mixology video, we're mixing one of my favorite drinks, an old fashioned. So old fashions come in a lot of different variations, but they all have the same basic ingredients. In my recipe today, I'm featuring Maker's Mark Bourbon. Maker's Mark is a very, very smooth bourbon that also has a little bit of spice to it, so I just love the flavor of it. So old fashions are meant to be sipped and savored. They're not a drink to have when you're thirsty. If you're thirsty, grab a glass of water. Stop on down to the store. We've got Maker's Mark Bourbon on sale for $23.99 right now. Obviously, old fashions can be made with all kinds of different whiskeys, so find one that fits your flavor. Today, we're just using one of my favorites.